Did you know you can set up your presentation agent to ask a question after each slide? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you're utilizing presentation agents and you'd like it to ask a question after each slide or maybe a specific slide, you can absolutely do that. So as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my workspace, and for this example, we are going to utilize Julie, my customer experience advisor. So I'm going to edit my agent, and there are a couple of different places that you can do this. We can either do it from here, the presentation under channels, and then we can also do it under the publish tab. So I'm actually going to jump to the publish tab first. And here you can see we need to choose which presentation we would like to add the question to. I'm going to choose my wedding presentation. And from here, we can choose the three dots and then edit our scripts. So for this example, I am going to come down here to the photo gallery and testimonials. So I know this one is a short script just for demonstration purposes. So down here at the very bottom, we can see add a question. So add a question for your agent to ask viewers after the slide. So let's do, could you see yourself using this as your venue? All right, perfect. Now, once we click out of this, we'll be able to see that there is a question right here. Could you see yourself using this as your venue? Now, before we jump over into preview, I'm actually going to X out of this, and I want to jump over into the build tab to show you exactly how you can do this. So over on the left-hand side, we can see the different channels. This is where we were earlier, just on a different presentation. If it's not showing, it's going to be right down here under presentation, and you can see we have two different views. We either have the player view or the slide view. Right now we are currently on the slide view. So if we scroll down, we know that it is right here on the testimonial. We see there is a question. If we come up here to do edit the slide, we can choose our script. We have the script right here, and then down at the bottom, could you see yourself using this as your venue? So those are two different places where you can edit the script and edit this question. So let's go ahead and jump into preview. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward to the slide that has the testimonial on it. Let's go ahead and press play.
Talk about packages and customer. Here we highlight real weddings and happy couples. Trusted by hundreds, this venue stands out as a place where dreams turn into cherished memories. Before we go on, a quick question. Could you see yourself using this as your venue?
So you can see it populated down the bottom under answer or ask a question. So it wants us to verbally respond. So if I choose to answer this question, if I haven't already allowed mic access.
Finally, planning.
I didn't answer fast enough. If I haven't allowed mic access, it's going to pop up in the top left-hand corner and ask me to allow my microphone. So let me go back and answer that question.
Could you see yourself using this as your venue?
Yes, I can.
Great to hear that. All right, let's continue.
All right.
Finally, planning.
Perfect. And that is how you add a question to a slide. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to add a question to your slide, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.